Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga video. We're going to get right started with some deep yogic breathing. Place the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth and then breathe together with me for 5 times. Inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale. Again, inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale. Feel your nervous system calming down. Now let's start to add in the arms. Take your fingers on the floor, on just outside of your pelvis. Turn the shoulders open and inhale, long deep breath in. Raise the arms. Exhale, slowly drop them back down. Give me 2 more. Roll the shoulders out and inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale, float the arms gently down. 1 more. Inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale, this time arms out to a T shape. Hold it here, just feel your shoulders. Let's do some little shoulder rolls. Try to keep that continuous fluid breath as you begin to just roll through the shoulders, nice and easy. And let's reverse direction, stabilizing and strengthening the shoulders at the same time. And hold it out at a T shape, nice and easy. Feel your breath, your body, your mind coming into unity. And then exhale slowly down. Okay, let's shake that out for a moment. Now let's come over onto the hands and knees. We're going to do what's called tabletop position. Keep your hands shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. Grip your fingertips and we'll hold this for about 5 breaths. 1, 2, keep breathing, keep drawing the navel in, feel the shoulders spreading away from each other. 3, keep breathing. 4, and 5. Now let's do cat and cow to mobilize the spine. Start off with an inhale, going through spinal extension. Inhale as you extend the spine, lifting the head up. Exhale as you round the back, pulling it under. Inhale, extend the spine, long deep breath in. Exhale, round, gazing towards the pubic bone. Let's do 1 more. Inhale, extend the spine, long, deep breath in. Exhale, round, pull it under. Let's prepare now for child's pose. Draw your knees towards each other. Exhale, sink the hips back, relax shoulders forward, hands by the feet. Relax and breathe deeply. Long, steady, deep breaths. Keep the mind nice and calm. Feel breath moving in, breath moving out. Muscles releasing. Then a long, deep breath in. Let's walk the hands forward. Keep the hands shoulder width apart, knees, hips width apart. Curl your toes under and inhale up to downward facing dog. So sending the hips back and up. Roll your shoulders away from each other. If you have a hard time straightening the legs, you can give a soft bend in the knees. So we stay here for 5 breaths. 1, deep breathing. Sending the hips back and up. 2, 3, remember those deep, resonant breaths. 4, almost there. 5, switch your gaze forward. Let's do warrior 1. Inhale, step your right foot forward, placing your back left heel on the ground. Come up onto your fingertips. You can really feel your legs. From here, inhale, lift your chest up, feeling the strength and stability of your legs underneath you, hands in prayer position. Hold it here for a moment, nice and easy, deep breathing. Then slowly inhale as you lift the arms up. You can gaze straight ahead, just keep the elbows straight. If it's easy for you, maybe hands together and look up. Find the version of the warrior pose that works for you. We'll hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, keep breathing, work your legs. 3, nice and easy. 4, almost there. 5, okay, exhale, take your hands down, curl the left toes under, and inhale back to downward facing dog. Stay in downward dog for a moment, and we'll switch the sides. Switching your gaze forward, inhale, step your left foot forward, planting your right heel on the ground, coming up onto your fingertips. Inhale, lift the chest up. Stay there for a moment, feel the strength and stability of your legs, hands in prayer. Now, inhale, lift the arms up and explore what works. Maybe your hands together, looking up, or maybe just gazing forward. We stay 5 breaths. 1, 2, deep breathing, keep reaching. 3, nice and easy. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, take your hands down. Inhale back to downward facing dog. Stay in downward dog for a moment, feeling the length through the shoulders. And then exhale, sink your knees down. After you sink the knees down, cross your feet underneath you. And exhale, let's lie all the way down. Roll the spine down, placing your sacrum on the ground, knees together. This is constructive rest position. Just a moment to connect with your body and your breath. Then let's draw the knees into the chest and give yourself a little squeeze to help release your back muscles and calm the nervous system. Hands next to the hips, slowly lift your legs up. And this is called Viparita Karani, or legs up pose. This is a wonderfully restorative and therapeutic posture, bringing healing through the body, moving through the feet, the legs, the knees, down through the thighs. Just rest here for a few moments, engaging your quadriceps, keeping the mind nice and calm, nice and calm. Really start to slow down the breath so you can just find that point of relaxation, the point of deep release. Slowly bend the right knee into your chest, extending the left leg. Easy reclining twist. Let's roll over to the left side, extending right arm. Stay for about 5 breaths here, and releasing, relaxing. And feel the breath moving in and out of the body. And inhale, come on back to the center. Hug the right knee in, switch the legs. Left knee drops into the body, and then exhale all the way over. Extend the left arm and relax the body. Stay for about 5 breaths. You could close your eyes. 1, deep breath. 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Inhale, come on back to the center. Exhale, lie down, close your eyes, take a little rest. Feel your whole body relaxed, released, rejuvenated. The mind in a deep space of peace. Then a long, deep breath in. Move your fingers, toes, hands and feet. Give yourself a little stretch. And then let's bend the knees. Give yourself a little hug. Roll over onto the side. Come on back up to a comfortable seated position. And bring your hands in prayer. Feel your breath and your body deepen as you check in. Slowly let the eyes open. Carry the seeds of a peaceful heart into your life off of your yoga mat. Thanks so much for joining, everyone. Namaste.